When people heard the robotics was coming to Tulsa, I'd say 20% were worried, 80% were more jokingly saying it's never going to come. Here at John Zink, we build process burners to help industrial facilities lower their emissions. I never would have thought that robotics would be in the welding industry, or let alone welding industry in Tulsa, Oklahoma. When the robot arrived, a lot of people weren't as scared because they realized it's going to take away all the redundant work that most of these people have to do and leave all the skilled craftsman work for the manual welder. Assembly line work, it's repetitive motions, the same thing over and over. Strains, sprains, it starts to wear on you. With Dutch, it's taken away a lot of the repetitive motion that a lot of these people see on a daily basis. While I work with Dutch most of the time, I also collaborate with the fitters as well. They've seen it time and time again, so by collaborating with them, it's enabled me to do my job easier. With the software I have available, it enables me to make a program for a product that would normally take a manual welder an hour and a half to weld. The program that I made, it takes 15 minutes. This isn't the last time you'll see robotics in any industry, or let alone Tulsa. If you wanted to adapt with the times, you got to be able to change.